In this video, I'm going to show you a demo of Android Chatter application, that how Android Chatter application works in a real world scenario. In order to run this Android Chatter application, you're going to keep a few things in your mind that is very important, and that is actually a web server technologies. In order to run this application, you must have a web server installed and pre-configured in your computer. If you don't have a web server in your computer, then you could also use an online web server. For example, if you have bought a domain of .com or any, then you would be able to upload the PHP files into that, and then you're going to be able to tackle on this application from that web server. But for the demo purpose, I'm using the offline web server, that is actually XAMPP web server. You can use any other offline server like WAMP, MAMP. So I'm using XAMPP, but make sure that Apache and MySQL is running under XAMPP server. So let's get started. What I have used in here is the two emulators. One is the Android emulator, which comes with the default package of ADT, and other is actually a BlueStack. I have installed it additionally in my computer. BlueStack is available at its official website, BlueStack. It's a very faster emulator and 10 times faster than the Android original emulator. The reason I've used the BlueStack is that I'm going to use two devices, because in order to run this app successfully and make it work successfully, I'm going to use two devices. So BlueStack and the combination of Android emulator would be quite handy. It is very faster than this emulator. So let's get started. In order to run this application, first you're going to have to log into this application. If you have an account already registered with this software, then you would be able to run in this application. But if you don't have any account, then you can create one by clicking on the menu option, click on the sign up option, and create one. That is demo3 ASD123 ASD123, and the email should be a valid email address, because otherwise it won't work. So I'm going to give it a name of my own email address. I'm going to click on sign up, and that is, you are registered successfully. Now go back and log in. I'm going to click on cancel, and I'm just going to give the demo3 ASD123, and then I'm going to click on the login button, and that's it. Now I am into the demo3's friends list, and I don't have any friend yet. I'm going to create the same ID the same procedure. I'm going to click on the sign up option, and that's it. And I'm just going to give it a name of demo4 and ASD123 ASD123, and the valid email address should be given to it. So I'm going to use mrconcoct@yahoo.com. So mrconcoct@yahoo.com. I'm going to click on sign up, and there it is. You are registered successfully. Now go back and log in. I'm just going to click on the cancel button, and then it will get me back to the original interface. I'm going to enter my credentials in here. So demo4 ASD123, and then I'm just going to click on the login button. After clicking on the login button, it will get me to the same screen as I am here in this list. Now the next thing is that I don't have any friends neither in the demo4 nor in the demo3. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to add the friend into my list. So for that purpose, I'm going to click on the menu button, and then I'm going to click on the add friend option. After clicking on add friend option, it will allow me to add my friends to the list. So I'm going to give a name to of my friend, like I'm just going to give it a name of demo3. So that is actually the username of the demo device. So I'm going to click on the add, and then it will prompt me that friend request has been sent. So after a few seconds, a friend request will be available to the demo3 ID or user. And that's it. Now I have got a request that Android Chatter new request, you have a new request. So I'm going to click on this and back to my BlueStack, and here I'm going to click on the option, and that's it. I have a new friend request. I'm just going to click on it, and once again, and I'm just going to click on the demo4 application and click on the menu and click on approve. After approving it, it will get added to my friend list, and that's it. Now it is added in here and as well as in here. So demo4 is actually this one ID, and demo3 is actually this emulator ID, and now both are visible. The green mark is showing the sign that both are online. If any one of them gets offline, then this mark will change to red. So I'm going to click on the demo4, and here I'm going to click on the demo3, And then I'm just going to write a few messages to demo3, and then demo3 would give me a reply back. So I'm going to give it a name of hi demo. I'm just going to hi and send it, and that's it, hi. And the emulator is pretty slow, so it will work, but a few seconds later hi will be appeared in here, and that's it, demo3 hi. So I'm going to give a reply back to him, hi. I'm just going to click on hi, send, and that's it, demo4 hi. And now a few seconds later, after the networking progress, a hi will be appeared in here too. And that's it, demo4 hi is appeared. So you can similarly chat on with one another with the Android device using this application. And you have then several different options like that. So in the next series of videos, we're going to be creating this application from the scratch. So let's get started.